The post introduces the topic of managing environment configurations using Varlock, emphasizing the importance of avoiding broken configurations that can disrupt development and deployment. Varlock provides a schema-first approach that improves validation and safety in handling environment variables. This section features links to the GitHub repository for Varlock, showcasing its collaborative nature and source of development. It discusses AI-safe environment files that separate schemas for automated agents and sensitive information for humans. It highlights the benefits of this approach for secure environment management. Varlock is introduced with its key features: proactive scanning for leaks, runtime protection, and the use of a single source of truth for configuration management. It emphasizes collaboration and type safety in managing environment variables. A brief summary of Varlock's key benefits, including schema definition for environment variables, local and CI validation, and improved deployment reliability by catching mistakes before they impact production. This section discusses common failures in environment configuration workflows. It outlines the typical pitfalls, such as outdated examples and scattered validation, which can lead to secret leaks and runtime errors. It details the immediate improvements that come from using a schema-first approach, such as clear validation and explicit requirements in configurations, reducing the incidence of configuration errors that manifest during runtime. Instructions for setting up Varlock in Astro projects, emphasizing a simple command line approach to integrate and initialize the schema for environment variables, making it easier to manage required values. This section discusses a specific pull request that integrates Varlock into a project, detailing updates to configuration files, type safety, and the handling of environment variables. It provides insights into the integration of Astro and Vite, indicating how Varlock takes advantage of this relationship for streamlined environment configuration handling. The author outlines a recommended setup workflow for using Varlock with environment variables, focusing on defining schemas, running validations early, and the importance of a structured approach to local and production configurations. This section describes how to implement a CI step for validating environment configurations using Varlock, including options for pre-checking configurations to ensure builds run smoothly. It highlights a common issue where using environment variables in Astro config files can be problematic, and how Varlock simplifies this by integrating loading and validation processes. Varlock is presented not just as a convenience, but as a vital improvement for productivity, security, and reliability in application development, minimizing risks associated with configuration errors. This section explains when to use the Varlock Astro integration versus the Vite plugin based on the application framework in use, reinforcing the flexibility of Varlock across different setups. The author concludes by emphasizing the advantages of adopting Varlock for environment management, suggesting that it offers significant benefits for any serious deployment, especially where configuration mistakes can lead to critical failures. Future directions for Varlock include better support for multiple programming languages, highlighting its growing adaptability and potential beyond JavaScript. The section provides useful links related to Varlock, including documentation, package information for the Astro and Vite integrations, and community engagement channels for developers.